आपको बताएं कि अमेरिकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान ने बहुत ज़बरदस्त किरदार अदा किया। अगर ईरान से डील फाइनल हो गई तो वो इस्लामाबाद जाएंगे। वाशिंगटन में सहाफ़ियों से बात करते हुए उन्होंने बताया कि ईरान से डील के बहुत करीब पहुंच चुके हैं। ईरान आमादा हो चुका है कि जोहरी हथियार नहीं रखेगा। ईरान के साथ मुआहदा करेंगे और ये अच्छी बात होगी। ईरान से मुज़ाकरात का दूसरा दौर अगले हफ्ते हो सकता है। ईरान के साथ डील नहीं हुई तो जंग दोबारा शुरू हो जाएगी।
They've been so good. Islamabad, I might go. Yeah, I might go. If the deal is signed in Islamabad, I might go. The field marshal has been great. The prime minister has been really great in Pakistan. So I might go. They want me. And it's looking very good that we're going to make a deal with Iran. And it's going to be a good deal. It's going to be a deal with no nuclear weapons.
Mr. President, when is the next in-person round of negotiations on the war in Iran? When will
They're
that
all
take place?
important. I mean, it's not a question of around. All of them are
When
important.
will the next in-person
Probably,
meeting take
maybe
place?
over the weekend. I would say the fighting, if there's no deal, fighting resume. And the big thing we have to do is we have to make sure that Iran does not have a nuclear weapon, because if they do, you want to talk about problems, you'd have problems. So very important is that Iran does not have a nuclear weapon, and they've agreed to that. We have a lot of agreement with Iran, and I think something's going to happen very positive. I don't think we're waiting. I think we're moving very fast. It could happen pretty quickly.